Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First open app.PixVerse.AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on the login button in the top right corner. You can either continue with your Google account, with your Apple account, with your Discord, or an email address. For this video, I'll choose email, so click on sign up and enter a username. Again, for this video, I'll use a temporary email, so go to temp mail, copy the email address and paste it right here. Then choose a strong password. Confirm the same password. Complete the human verification and then click on continue button. A verification email will be sent, so go to your email inbox. Open the email you received from PixVerse.AI. Copy the code you received and paste it right here. Again, complete the human verification and finally click on continue button. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this where you can upload a reference image, enter a prompt, or you can use reference image and prompt both. So for the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, simply copy the prompt and paste it into PixVerse.AI. Below, you can select the video resolution, aspect ratio, video duration as well. You can also choose whether you need audio or not, multi-shot if needed, and select a model like PixVerse V6, C1, V5.6 and others. But for this video, I'll select PixVerse V6 and finally click on the create button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. This tool gives you 90 free credits as a sign-up bonus. You can sign up on PixVerse.AI with your personal Google account, Apple account, Discord, or an email address. It's completely up to you. But if you use your personal Google account, Discord, or email address, then you would need to have too many accounts. So if you want to create longer video content, I suggest using a temporary email. Once your credits run out with one temporary email, simply sign up again using another temp mail and generate as many videos as you want. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So guys, with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.